Hey guys, I want to talk about your family living assignments for this week. So we have 4 journal entries. So for Monday and Tuesday, I want you to read pages 48 through 57, and then you're going to answer these questions in your journal. Why do you think some people take drugs? What would you tell a friend who wanted to try drugs, and how would you stop them? It's important to have answers for these questions because our culture is one in which drugs and drug use is being more and more encouraged. And you need to know why taking drugs is bad and how you would stop a friend that you cared about. Okay, for the third, I want you to read pages 58 through 62, and I want you to think about your eating habits and answer these questions, okay? How do you think you're doing with your eating habits? What are you doing right? And what is an area where you could improve? Because we all could improve in our eating habits. For instance, I should probably eat less sugar. So that's what I want you to think about for the third. For the fourth, I want you to read pages 63 through 68, and then I want you to answer why is it important to exercise. And then finally for Friday, read pages 68 through 72, and I want you to answer this question. How well do you deal with stress, and what do you do to relieve stress? And that will be your assignments for this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or get in contact with me. And if you can hear hiccups in the background, that's little Phoebe. She's got the hiccups right now. All right. Thank you. Bye.